bucks a gallon. No more big ass Chevy, no more SUV. I need a little bitty car to go from point A to point B. 4 bucks a gallon. Yeah, 4 bucks a gallon. Adjusted for inflation, we're better off today. 4 bucks a gallon. 4 bucks a gallon. 4 bucks a gallon. I think the government's a front. They keep on giving corporate America what it wants. 4 bucks a gallon. That's all I'm gonna do.